So once you've downloaded your course from our website, you can open it on your phone and then do the work in it. So let's say if we open one of these, um, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here's a lesson on lifestyle. It's a elementary lesson, and you just read the exercises and go through it. Think about your lifestyle. Could you talk about your lifestyle in English? Look at task sheet 1, which is down here. And you just basically do the exercises as you go through. And right at the end, you'll find there's an out there task. Okay. And the out there task, if I open it in Acrobat, okay, I can comment. So if I use my pen, now if I just opened it in Acrobat, I can change that color. Okay, and then if I scroll down, so exercise 1, task sheet 1, match the pictures to the words in the box. Write the correct word under each picture. So this is to get you thinking about some language. And so what have we got? Drink water. So if I zoom in there, and I've got drink water here. Drink water, and I've got a glass of water there, and I can go drink water. Okay. Let's just do that. And then you just move through it. So like K, I should have written it down here probably. Let's go. Drink water. But you get the idea. And you can do this on your phone or on a tablet. You can print it off and write on it with a pen. But as you go, you just do the exercises. And then you'll what this does is it brings certain language to the front of your mind and your memory, and prepares you for the end, which is the out there task. Okay, this is the important bit at the end, and it says you're going to talk to your out there conversation partners about your lifestyle. So the 2 or 3 people that you've met online and you've made friends with, and you've arranged to talk to them once or twice a week each. This is what you're going to do. So before you call your out there conversation partners, read the task carefully. Do you understand it? If you don't, read it again. And then you call and introduce yourself. Hi, how are you today? And then you start with the task. So you tell your partner, so it says here, ready. Tell your out there conversation partners about your lifestyle using too much and not enough. How would you like to improve your lifestyle? So I could say, hi there, I'm going to talk about my lifestyle. I've been learning about it, and I think I eat too much cheese, which may be a bit strange, but I think cheese is probably not very good for me, and I eat too much of it. Do you eat too much cheese? And someone would say, no, I don't eat too much cheese. And this is how you go along. Or I don't do enough exercise, or I do too much exercise. And as you go, if someone comes back, your partner comes back with some new words and expressions, you can just write them down here. So you can talk about a treadmill for exercise, running, and stuff like that. And that's how you use the materials. And all the time you're using the materials, you should be recording your session. And then, so always record and listen again. 2 or 3 times. Because by listening again, you're giving your brain really good information about the patterns of language, the basic patterns of communication, and also you're feeding it information about the things you can do and you can't do and what you need to improve on. And it just happens naturally. So don't worry about taking notes when you're listening to yourself. Just listen to yourself speaking with your partners 2 or 3 times again. And that's it. So it's very simple. Download the files, find 2 or 3 people to talk to, do the exercises before you talk to them, record it, listen a few times, repeat, and just choose the lessons that you want to do. Okay?